So this is yours. How did that train of thought eventually land you into like building a makerspace?
Where I'm headed with SpaceCraft is I want to create a space where people will be excited to try out different things, right? There's like new machines, things that they've not seen before, and the possibility of creating something that is like one of its kind, like the only one in the world. That's why I enjoy making stuff, because I know that this exists only because I made it. Like there's no one else in the world that has it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that's the part where like people come in and they design something that they created, and the fact that there's only one of that in the world excites you.
Yeah.
Okay. And what do you hope that they would do? Or how it would impact them? How do you hope that it will impact them?
I hope that it brings them some joy and satisfaction, right? Eventually, maybe they would want to make it into a brand, right? A merchandise line, right? But it starts off with just experimenting.
It sounds like you kind of playing the role, right? That like people come in, you provide the infrastructure, you help them, you want to help them see that what they are working on is unique. And through that process, you hope to give them like the joy and the excitement and the confidence to continue pushing that one.
It's just the joy of being able to customize something that is uniquely theirs, right? So it may start off as a blank t-shirt, but at the end of the day, after they customize it, it can be a design that they have been thinking of making, right? Or if it does not work out, at least they know that the design does not work out, and it can start off as a sample piece for them to start making pre-orders, right? And showing the world something that they created.
Why is it so important to you?
I guess it's more of just sharing the joy and satisfaction that I get when I make a product. Like how I made the merch for you and Adi, like for Fireplace. Right? I enjoy seeing the excited looks and
On us,
on your So like how like a simple notebook, right? It can like bring so much more meaning and value to your, right, as compared to just a blank notebook. Yeah.
Okay.
Right, how do you feel when you see like
I
it come to life?
feel like wow, we are legit. Like, yeah, because my references is like for the bigger brands. Bigger brands, they got like, like all these different like
packaging.
They got like the bags, they got the brand on it.
Yeah.
Like ours exists digitally only. So when it's real and I can touch it, like it feels this feels like we're legit, like we're gonna be cool.
And I guess it's also a conversation starter, right? Like you were showing it around to the people at chapters, right? And like they were like, oh, it's so cool. Like they also want to like play around with it and like see how it works.
So which part mattered more? Like I understand the conversation starter, the fact that like when you design this, it helped me to make conversations. I'm to share more about it with other people. Or is it the look on our faces, like the joy on our faces?
The excitement, I guess like if you're able to feel excited when you receive the item, right? I think you'll be even more excited seeing it happen in real life, like creating the product yourself, right? Yeah.
Okay. That's what I'm asking is, okay, so for sure, like we are excited, right?
Yeah.
So that's the baseline. Now I'm trying to understand, is it more of when we receive it, it's like, wow, that's option number one. Option number two is like, oh, like I'm excited that like, and I go around and telling people about it. Like which one?
I would say option number 3.
What's number 3?
Because like obviously you'll be excited when you receive the product, but then that can happen when you create your own merchandise line and mass produce it like elsewhere as well.
Okay.
But then I want to bring that experience of creating it yourself to users like you, so that they can make more stuff.
The idea is I go and give you the design.
Yeah. I mean, cause like you can give like a supplier the design, then you get the product, then it will still be exciting to you, right? But then like you don't really get to experience the process of making it happen lah. That's why I enjoy making. Yeah, because a friend did ask me before, why don't like I outsource or
Yeah.
pay people to make the products, right?
Yeah lor.
Why do I spend my time like actually going to use the machine and preparing everything to embroider on the machine? Like I could pay someone else to do it.
Yeah.
But I enjoy the process of like bringing it to life, making it happen. I mean, it's the same for working on a startup. It's
Yeah, I
like
guess.
why don't you just pay someone to do it? But you will have more satisfaction when you
Yeah.
work on it yourself, right? Because you're the one that is passionate about it.
Yeah.
Usually people would think that there's a barrier to like making these products, right? Like, oh, I can't make like glass cups and all that. Like it's impossible to customize by myself. But with the MakerSpace, right, at SpaceCraft, it will be able to be done like within minutes, right? They can just buy a cup and then they can customize their own name, their own brand logo on it.
Let's check.
Okay.